Hello and welcome to our third step. We open our third step file. In this step, we will create a blend out of 3 splines and we'll show you another tool how to create a mesh. For creating our blend, we switch into the Meshing and Site tab. Select here In Place Mesh. We will now draw a reference line. We pick reference line in our Home tab. Zoom in. Create a reference line over here. Select the reference line, and you see reference lines are very useful because you get 4 working planes. We want to draw our splines on the vertical working plane. Select Set. We move over our reference line. With the Tab button, we select our vertical working plane. Now we switch into the right view. Pick our spline tool and create a spline. Select our spline and we move to the front view. Select Copy. Check if we have constraint demarked. We copy it 2 times to the left. We need a distance of about 15 meters. Now we are going to modify our middle spline a little bit. We select it and use our control points to modify them. Now we select all 3 splines with the control button and click on Create Form. And our blend has been created. For editing our blend, we can select our surface, click on X-ray. Now we see our profiles. We can select a profile and make further adjustments. We want to rotate our mesh a little bit. We select it, move into the right view, and select Rotate. And we rotate it about 10 degrees. So that's really easy. We finish our mesh. Revit gives us here an ignorable information. We are now going to create a revolve form. Therefore, we switch in our Meshing and Site tab. Click In Place Mesh. Mesh 2, okay. We will also draw a reference line. We set our working plane. Set a vertical plane. For creating a revolve form, you need a middle axis. So first of all, we draw a middle axis of our rotation. Select the middle point. Now we will create a spline. For creating a revolve form, you have to select the middle axis and the profile you want to rotate. We now click Create Form. And we have here 2 possibilities to create the revolve form or to create a surface. We want to create a revolve form. Select it. We use the Ctrl+C shortcut to undo our changes. Now we draw a rectangle. Height of about 45 meters. We select now our middle axis, the rectangle. Click on Create Form. Now we have generated a tube. We can adjust that tube by clicking our top surface. We can also change the size of our radius. We can also change the thickness of our tube by selecting that surface. Now we undo our changes with the Ctrl+Z shortcut. We select the edge over here, and with that edge we have the possibility to create a partial revolve. We have to set a different working plane. We click on Set. We select here Level 1. Now we switch in our top view. We want to copy our mesh by using the Rotate tool. Click on Rotate. Activate Copy. We move our rotation point to the middle of the reference line. Copy it to the right. We repeat this action. Move the rotation point to the middle of the reference line. Now we added our 3 masses. We select the right one and change the thickness. Select that one over here. Now we want to further modify our masses. Select that surface. Move it a little bit to the right. Select that surface. Move it to the left. So select that one. Move it also to the left. Now we adjust the heights of our buildings. We want to create a single mass out of those 3 masses, so we use the join tool. Select here join. Select one mass, then we select the other one. Now we select those 2 masses, join it with the last building. If you zoom a little bit in, you see all 3 masses have been joined. Finish our mass. That's it for our third step, and we'll be back